Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to go on our exploration of XSS attack or cross-site scripting attack, but with different context. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's get started. We can head over to Linux VM to start. Let me log out and then we can start from scratch. Let me disable, yes, disable intercept option for a while. Okay, log in to bWAPP. And so the first is to choose the bug, what we are going to do in this video. Or the eval, we can click the button. So here we got the current date on my computer, 2026. And if you notice address bar, when we submit the request, there is parameter date, but this time its value is not a string or something else, but command or JavaScript, a command or statement or function. Maybe function would be more correct. Okay, and then you can check its source code, because this eval, let me scroll down. Where? So the current time or date should be, yes. So, so this is the, the code would be executed. So how about, this would be, our request. The value would be put into this JavaScript code. So how about we change this function to something else? For example, like alert. Very easy. Alert, like a JSON. Okay. Press a button. You see, our code has been executed. Okay. And of course, if you want, you can get the cookie, document cookie, and then we can get the cookie of a current session. Very dangerous. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.